Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I want us to look at uh, data separation. Look at the data I have on the screen. We have staff names given together in one column, the son name and the first name all together. And we want to separate them to have something similar to what we have at this side, right? It is called data separation. There are two different methods that we can use doing this, right? We can use the text to column wizard, or there is another one called the flash fill. But today I'm going to limit our discussion to the text to column wizard. Now let's come back here. Now we have a set of full names given to us, and we want to separate it. Follow my step. At first, we're going to select this column, and then trust me, if we say that we want to select from top to down, doing it this way, we have over 1000 data here. It will take time, but there is a shortcut. Just hold on to your Ctrl plus Shift and press the down arrow key. It will select all the columns that are all the cells that are filled with text, right? Having done that, we're going to look for the text to column wizard on your tab. It is located under data. Select data, then look for the data tool on these tabs, on this ribbon, right? And I can see it here. Then you can see text to column. Just click. Next, it brings up a pop-up selecting a delimiter. Delimiters are separators in Excel, right? For example, we have the Alison Timothy separated, by a comma. That comma is a delimiter. It could be a stroke, it could be a space, but in this case, it is a comma. Now it is confirmed that the text is separated with a comma. That's the delimiter. So we keep the highlight and we'll say next. When we say next, look at this region, you will see that it has separated it and is showing us what it will look like if we continue. The delimiter is written here showing that it is separated with comma. If it is not comma, you will select whatever it is. Well, of course, it is comma. Then having done this, just go straight to next. Then it's telling you how your data will look like at the end of the day by the time you click finish. So it means that a part of this text will be given at the other side. So just go ahead to say finish. But then you notice it is saying that there is already data here. Do you want to replace it? This is where we want to put the data. This column where we have first name. So it's asking, do we want to replace it? Yes. So just click OK. You have no problem. And what can you see? You can see that the other names are now represented on a separate column. We can come back to now change this name and call this last name. Call this last name. Why this becomes the first name. We have just successfully separated the text given in one column into two different columns. The other method is called the flash fill, right? And I'm going to teach this in our next session. But then prior to the time, if this information is useful to you, I want you to click the subscribe button and follow us. Don't forget to click also the notification button so that when we release videos like this, tutorials like this, you can get the notification and quickly pick the knowledge that is in it. Thank you.